This is the property in Playa Litibú. You can see this is Litibú Street. I am inside the property. We see here the south corner of the property. Then we go here. Then we see the street, Pionero Street, and then the front, the beach front, the old house. And then if I walk here, you can see the front is already clean. We clean it, we take it out all the logs. You see, now you can see from the ocean all the way back of the property. This is the rainwater collection, and this is, well, this is the north, south, east corner, okay, and this is the side of the property with another frontier with another property. Okay, this is the north corner. Okay, beach front, 43 meters front. Bye.